U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, is an agency of the United States federal government. EPA was created for the purpose of protecting human health and the environment. The agency was proposed by President Richard Nixon and began operation December 2nd, 1970.
The EPA has headquarters in Washington, D.C. It also has regional offices for each of the agency's 10 regions and 27 laboratories. The agency conducts environmental assignments, research, and education.
The effects of Hurricane Sandy in New Jersey in 2012 were extremely severe, with economic losses to businesses of up to $30 billion. Hurricane Sandy was the most intense storm of the 2012 Atlantic hurricane season. As it curved upwards towards the New England region, the hurricane degenerated into an extratropical cyclone, and shortly after, the massive storm made landfall in New Jersey on October 29th. Over 2 million households in the state lost power in the storm. 346,000 homes were damaged or destroyed, and 37 people were killed. Storm surge and flooding affected a large portion of the state.
In response to Hurricane Sandy, EPA has been supporting FEMA. EPA has been working closely with federal agencies in the state of New Jersey to protect the public's health and the environment. EPA worked to assess damage and respond to environmental concerns. EPA assessed the condition of drinking water and wastewater facilities, helped get several damaged wastewater treatment plants in New Jersey up and running, evaluated conditions at hazardous waste sites, and assisted in the collection of debris and household hazardous waste. EPA provided information to the public about cleaning up after flooding, mold, and the safe disposal of household hazardous waste. As said before, EPA has been working closely with FEMA to ensure that any hazardous waste and debris are being disposed of properly. EPA coordinated with stakeholders, local state governments, as well as FEMA and the U.S. Coast Guard to first assess locations with reported abandoned containers, and then remove the left containers if necessary at various locations in New Jersey and New York. These debris management efforts on the East Coast have resulted in a collection of over 119,000 items. In New Jersey, EPA assisted the state in assessing and collecting large abandoned containers. Those efforts resulted in a collection of 327 items. EPA is continually working closely with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to develop and implement a plan on debris removal, and is working with the East Coast and local governments to continue their efforts.
In restoring the East Coast, we need your help. With your help, we can continue to work with other organizations to ensure the safety of the people and even the environment. For just $23 a month, that's only pennies a day, you can contribute to saving the East Coast. You can have a big part in restoring the shore. Also, if you caught a pledge, you will receive a t-shirt saying that you helped save the shore. So please don't hesitate. Call now, 1-800-HELP-EPA. That's 1-800-435-7372. Donations are also happily accepted.